Hey, welcome back to the channel and find out why I'm going to switch from Hot Shot Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. Hey, welcome back, and today I'm going to be telling you why I'm switching from Hot Shot Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. But first I want to announce that I have teamed up with Hot Shot Secret, and if you click the link in my description below, that'll take you to their website. You can also save 10% by using Living in Alaska as your coupon code when you apply that in checkout. So check them out and use that code to save yourself 10%. So again, let's get back to why I'm switching from their everyday diesel treatment. Well, I live here in Alaska and it's starting to get cold. And so anybody that owns a diesel knows that when it starts to get cold, you run into gelling issues. And that's why I'm switching to their Hot Shots Secret Winter Anti-Gel formula, which is basically the everyday diesel treatment, except that it has anti-gelling properties included in it. So what is this going to do for you? Well, basically it's going to help prevent gelling by reducing your fuel line freeze-ups down to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also going to lower the pour point down to 65 degrees below Fahrenheit. It boosts your cetane and power just like the everyday diesel treatment does. And if you live in a northern area where it starts to get below 32 degrees, you want to make sure that you're putting some type of anti-gel product into your tank to help those gel ups. You don't want to run into problems where the wax starts to build up and clogs your fuel line or fuel filter. The other thing that happens that you need to know, and I put some things in my first video about diesel fuel and how that's changed over the years. So check that video out. Again, the link is in the description. But one of the things that happens in colder climates is that they start to blend fuel in those areas. And in our case here in Alaska, they've already switched to straight #1 diesel. Now in most areas, it's a blend. And usually it really depends on what your temperatures are as to how they are blending that fuel. It could be 80% #2, 20% #1, could go 70-30, could go 60-40, 50-50. Really depends a lot on what the outside temperature is predicted to be over a length of period, and that is how they manage that blending process. But here in Alaska, they switch to straight #1. Well, you may ask, well then why do I need an anti-gel? Because even straight #1 can gel up. However, the other thing that happens with straight #1 is that you lose even more lubricity and quality properties and power than you have with your #2 diesel. And so it's important to make sure that you're using an additive that helps improve the fuel quality, stability, lubricity, the detergents in it, to help keep your engine running top notch. And that's what Hot Shot Secret does. And I'll leave a link to their video about gelling and diesel fuels so that you can learn a lot more than what you're going to learn just here in this video, because I'm not going to go into all the details behind it, but I do encourage you to watch that and do your own research and decide what you want to do. But again, if you use the Hot Shot Secret products as directed, they guarantee that it will not void your manufacturer's warranty, so you don't need to worry about that. Check out those other videos. Click that link in the description to Hot Shot Secret, and don't forget to use the Living in Alaska code to save yourself 10%. I strongly encourage you to do that and help protect your investment. These diesel engines are not cheap, and you want to make sure that you keep them running top notch, and one way to do that is to use their products. So anyway, I've been using their product for quite a while, long before I became a partner with Hot Shot Secret. But I do encourage you to do your own research and check them out for yourself. Again, the links are in the description below. And if you like the videos, I encourage you to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, Comment below if you have any questions or concerns. Certainly appreciate it. It helps the channel grow. And I will see you in the next one.